السلام علیکم.
وعلیکم السلام.
میرا نام موسیٰ.
موسیٰ کہاں سے آئے ہیں؟ Where are you from?
From Ghana, Central Region Ghana.
Central in Ghana.
Yes.
How long you have been here in Finland?
Almost 11 years now.
11 years. With your family?
Yeah, Huzoor, with my family, yes.
Can you speak Urdu?
Little, because when I was at FAL, Mawdu Habadam used to teach us Urdu every Sunday at the mission house at Osu.
So, you lived with Mauli Bhabadam for some time?
Yes, I was the leader of the Guard of Honor.
Okay. Where are you from originally? From Central region?
Mando, Ejumaku Mando.
Central region?
Central region, Ejumaku Mando.
Ejumaku Mando, yes.
Yeah.
It's near Mankasim.
It's near Mankasim, from a Kofol, a Satcher road down to...
Down, that gravel road. There used to be gravel road at that time. I don't know whether it is
yes,
now.
Yes, very gravel, yes. But now it's okay. It's tarred now. Yeah.
Achha. From Satcher, Krofo, and then
Mando.
And that it links to Mankasim, huh?
Mankasim, yeah.
And then to Cape Coast Road.
Cape Coast Road, yes.
Achha.